Hello, my name is Daniel Saigh. I'm a Central United States Regional Sales Manager for Dynisco Instruments. Dynisco is an industry leader providing a provider of material measurement and rheological equipment with a focus on thermoplastic pressure and temperature measurement and control, as well as the extrusion and blow molding process monitoring and process control systems. We have been serving the global plastics industry for over 70 years with sales and service around the globe. Today I'm here at the National Plastics Expo in Orlando, Florida to introduce you to Dynisco's ViscoIndicator online rheometer, capable of real-time measurement of viscometry on your extruder throat just before the die. The ViscoIndicator by Dynisco is comprised of three components: the sensor head, the controls, and the machine connection. Here we see the machine connection, which is customized to the customer's needs depending upon real estate available and pockets that are available. A standard connection point would be an M18 pocket, but we can also provide a flange type mount that is customized to your needs. The sensor head includes a small pump which pulls a sample from the extrusion through the connection at about 1 kilogram an hour. This pump isolates our test pressure from the process pressure and also provides the correct pressure running the test. On the test pressure side, the pump is forcing material at a specified pressure and temperature through a capillary die and through a series of sensors. We're collecting data that we can review on the controls here. What we have here is a small extruder that is producing melted extrude of polyethylene material. In this hopper on the feed throat is a 4 melt polyethylene, and in this small additive feeder we're dosing a 20 melt polyethylene into the machine. As we had shown earlier, the ViscoIndicator is pulling data, pulling a small sample and collecting data, and this is the controller for that ViscoIndicator. As I mentioned, we are running a 20 melt and a 4 melt. We're combining this to create a 10 melt target. Some of the data that we're collecting is melt flow rate, intrinsic viscosity, shear stress, and shear rate. With the ViscoIndicator, we can choose one of these measurements to build alarms around, monitor, and if needed, control. We've chosen melt flow rate, as you can see that highlighted above here. It is in this way that we are able to bring in a very tight spec as an output of your extruder and measured in real time on our ViscoIndicator. For PET materials, we would choose to monitor intrinsic viscosity, for example, or for other materials, other quality correlated measurements would be chosen. The additive that you're feeding into the unit to bring your measurement in line will vary depending on the correlation to quality. All Dynisco Polytest equipment, including the ViscoIndicator online rheometer, are manufactured in the United States and hold CE and UL certification for global compliance. To learn more about Dynisco's ViscoIndicators and all Dynisco's products and services, please visit our website at www.dynisco.com or speak to your local representatives. Thank you for your interest in Dynisco. We look forward to earning your business.